Hi there, I'm Angelo DeCesare, the author and illustrator of Flip's Fantastic Journal. I'm also the author and illustrator of the Flip Journal series. This one is called Flip's Cool Video Journal, and it's about anger management. All of the Flip journals were printed by Pip, Puppetry and Practice, which is located at Brooklyn College. Today we're going to draw Flip's imaginary friend, Crunch the Dinosaur. So get a pencil or a crayon, and let's go. Crunch's head is a circle. His neck is two lines. His body is a medium circle and a larger circle, like a snowman. His top teeth are a line, and then another line down, and then a zigzag line. All of the characters are made with shapes, so that you can draw them easily. His bottom teeth are also zigzags, and then a line. His nose has a little hole there. To make his eye, make half a circle with a dot and a line down for his eyebrow. He looks angry. His arm is a zigzag. His leg is half a circle, and his big dinosaur foot is also a zigzag line. To make his tail, start here, go all the way up, and then stop, and then go all the way down again. Actually, he's not always angry. Sometimes he's happy, like when he goes to the park to meet his girlfriend. To make the spikes on his back, make zigzags. And his name is Crunch. You can call him Crunch, T-Rex, Godzilla, Cupcake, whatever you like. Anyway, that's Flip's imaginary friend. I hope you had fun drawing him. Check out my other Flip videos on YouTube if you'd like to draw any of the other Flip characters. Thanks again for drawing with me. Bye.